So after all the drama under the sun and a few curse words, I was able to get this in, and it is, I ended up using a needle because the beading tool that I had, that didn't work either. So I got them in, and I got two yarn, 2 spools of yarn, because that's what they say make it look the fullest and the best, and that's what I decided to go with. And I'm just going to drop these in my basket over here. And I know the one that I didn't pull from the center is probably going to roll all over the place, but I mean, it's whatever. Now, on this gun, this is the on switch, this is the speed dial, and then this is the trigger that, you know, that's how the machine goes once you start pressing a button. So we're just going to put some oil on these before I get going, and then I'm going to hook this yarn into these little hooks here that I have. Now, although I'm right-handed, I consider myself to be an amphibian or whatever. So I work from left to right. Like, I do everything from left to right. I don't know why. But, and I know the real word too. That was just a little kiki for y'all. We're going to get this set up. We're going to put one in each loop. I think that's what we're going to do. So there's one. And there's the other one. Alright, boom. So, as soon as I cut this on, we're actually going to be ready to get started. Now, hopefully the pile is high enough and it's what I need and want. But if not, that's going to be another journey figuring out how to get this thing going. So. Alright, now, I know this is going to mess up. Oh, goodness. Alright, so I'm going to cut this on, but I'm not going to put it on my design first, because I'm going to try it like down over here somewhere first and just see what's going to happen, like how it's going to come out before I actually start trying to do the line. So let me get my oil real quick to put on the grooves. You want to make sure you lubricate and put your oil. What the fuck? My oil ain't open, y'all. But it says you should put oil on all the moving parts. So I'm going to just do that real quick. Hit this puppy with a little bit of oil. And now we about to give this bad boy a go. Turn it on and see what happens. Alright, let's hit the on switch. Quiet. I thought it was going to start doing something. Now, it's no indication of what's high and what's low on the speed knob. So, again, that's something we just want to leave it where it's at. And then we're going to see what happens. So, I'm going to try it down here first. Now that went through, but that immediately gave me a hole. And my other yarn just came out. I want to just try. That's why I ain't tried on that one first. Oh man, my thread came out. So we gotta turn this off. And we gotta unplug for a second. I expected for it to be a hole. Because I don't know what I'm doing at all. So, and I don't know if y'all probably can't see the yarn, but just from that one mechanism, the yarn is no longer with us. It's on the floor, rolling out. Alright, boom. So I got my struggly needle back in, and I think I'm ready to give it another go. But what I think happened when I stuck it in the first time, I think I left it in the same spot for too long, and I think you should be constantly moving with this. So I think I'm gonna try it down the bottom again just to see what'll happen. And the burlap, it kind of basically moved back. Like I just slid it around a little bit with my fingers, and it kind of moved back, so it didn't fully rip out. But we're about to try this again. So let me see. Let me try it down here. All right, I'm gonna cut it on, and we just gonna poke. Oh. And I pulled my damn yarn out again. But that time it went in. But that was because I didn't move it. Oh, and it looked good on the other side too. Okay, player. So I don't know. Yeah, I gotta thread this again. I keep getting nervous and pulling away from it. And then plus, it's my yarn. My yarn is on the floor. Like, look, if I pull it, I don't know if it came all the way up. Let me pull it until it come all the way up for y'all to see it. Y'all see that? That is a mess. The other one is on the floor all the way over there. But anyway, I'm going to get this done. And I'm going to figure it out. Right now, I'm in stage 1. AKA, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But we going to figure this thing out. Get it going. And then, I'm going to master this. Just like I do every other thing that y'all done seen me do on here. Just watch. So, you definitely want to turn this off. Now, this is annoying, having to turn it off just to get it going or whatever. But it's fairly easy. Now, this is the needle that I had used. Y'all probably can't see me, but it's nothing but a weave needle, if you know what that is. If you know what that is. I wish this cord had a closer detachment. Like, they should have made that part shorter. But basically, I definitely would never use this with it being plugged in or try to thread this, because this thing is really sharp and it seems really scary. Now this yarn, I'm blaming it on Walmart, because I ain't never going to blame it on me. It's the Walmart yarn. It got to be. Can't be me. Alright, boom. So, we in there. And then we gonna plug it back in. Alright, now. I'm starting on my actual design, because fuck it. Yeah, let's see. Dum dum, the thread wasn't even in there the second time. I think this keep coming out because of the way how I got the way how my yarn is set up. But I ain't gonna keep threading this thing without the actual tool because this is annoying me. So now we got to cut it off and go through with the threading again. But we're gonna end the video right here because y'all get the gist of what I was doing. But I'm gonna come back and show y'all when it's completed. Y'all ready for the finished product or what? Y'all, I fucked this rug up. Child, that thing had more holes than Swiss cheese, honey. I don't know. Well, I know what I did wrong, but I'm going to have to work on this a little bit more. But I think I can master it, but not today.